Hello, happy January.
Yeah, snowy.
Ah!
A little snowy.
We have all kinds of fun things, whether you are here in Indianapolis in the tundra
With us.
with us, or traveling somewhere warm, or you're just looking forward to spring. There are new things coming every day, and we're going to feature some of those things in this video that you can buy now.
Yeah, really exciting. I mean, yeah, the vibe is turning. We're getting spring. Like, hello, beautiful, like blushes and pinks and fun.
But then also wonderful reds and bold colors and
little mod.
Yes, a little bit of mix of everything.
So yeah.
These things will be available online at marigoldclothing.com. You can call us at 317-254-9939. Weather permitting, unless anything else pops up. We will be here Monday through Saturday, 11 to 5, but always check the website for our latest updated hours because we can update those from anywhere.
Yeah, just be safe.
Yes.
Whether you're coming and going or staying, whatever works for you. We want to find you where you are. If you want to shop, we're here for you.
You can shop online, you can shop in store, you can call us and shop over the phone, you can FaceTime with us. We just want to meet you wherever you are.
Yeah.
All right, we got in this week, Shana, we got Cut Loose, Michael Stars, MSquare, Marigold Row new scarves. We got a new tights company called Tabby, which we're still working on pricing, so stay tuned on those. But they're so cute. There's prints, there's solids. So if you want a little spice on your legs.
A spicy leg.
Spicy legs.
To keep you toasty.
Yeah.
But the most fashionable way, you know. So these are small through large, and then the solids come large to tall as well. And then there's this cute little sock.
Look how cute that sock is. I love that little turquoise.
Right.
With the gold accent.
So it's nylon and polyester, some metallic. This is a fair trade company. So yeah, we're excited.
New sock company. Check it out. Those are not online yet. So if you like them, call or stay tuned. They're coming.
Hello. I'm gonna talk about this
we're gonna talk about
I
Shana.
love this dress.
Okay, we're gonna start with my jewelry because I think it kind of ties it all together. These earrings are the hoops from Heather Hayes. I forget how much they are. 168 maybe? Did I say that right? We're gonna move to the necklace. 140 for the earrings. The necklace is 338.
Yeah.
Something like that. Don't quote me on that, but it's around there. But I think it kind of ties the whole outfit together. This is a brand new duster dress from Shana. It's a lightweight fabric. You can wear it buttoned all the way as a dress. I like to wear it as a layer over, like a little duster. Can I have the black dress just to show? This is the dress that I'm wearing. It's a beautiful square neck. It's $168. It comes in black, or it comes in this olive, and it's very stretchy. So we did have this fabric in a long sleeve tunic in the fall. It was kind of a hidden gem, and then the people who tried it on loved it, and we sold out of it right away. So this is the same material as that little long sleeve tunic, but you got this little square neck. Use it as layering for now, but just with a little scarf or a necklace. I have it on with a little ankle boot, but I also have like coordinating green sneakers you can put on with it for a more casual look and a little sweatshirt. I'm going to show you when I come out in my next outfit how you can style the black one. So here's how I have the olive green one, which I think is nice. It's a darker color, but it's not as harsh as black. Let's be honest, black's my favorite color to wear, but the olive is a nice complement for a little lighter than black.
In the back.
Oh yeah, here's the back on this. It has this little elastic that brings it in at the waist instead of it just falling straight, which is kind of nice. Not at the waist, at the upper back. So it gives the dress a little bit of shape without being form-fitted. So the dress is 130. The topper duster jacket dress is 138. This dress is 168, and then the accessories.
Yes.
Yay!
Okay, I'm feeling a little black and white and red, you know. We got in some new things from MSquared that are very fun. So MSquared is designed in Los Angeles, California from Nitu. Hey, Nitu. This is a cotton blouse with this really cool fringe detail. So these come 0, 1, and 2. I have a 0 on, which they say is like an extra small, but really it fits like a 4 to 6. I mean, well, honestly, I'm a 14 and I'm wearing this. So I would say A size 0 fits like a 4 through, I guess, a 14 because I'm wearing it. But I probably would wear like the 1 normally. Now I'm rambling. Anyway, there's a little tab here that's really cute. You can button this, and then the tab is just like a single placket here. Again, ruchy, frilly, little cuties, details. So this is online soon, in store now. Comes 0, 1, or 2 in the sizing. Underneath is this fun little drop sleeve top. So it has this little red zipper, which I love. Floral here, stripes. It does hit at the elbow. I have an A and B, just a stretchy t-shirt underneath. And then these pants. These pants are $89. They're new from Shana, so is this. This is the contrasting pant. So it's black, and then it's got that great white contrasting stitch. This is the back. All these things come extra small through extra large. And I am wearing the extra large in the pants and the large in the top. I do have some jewels from Rana on. Some of these really pretty purples and pinks. I love the stack. We love a little juicy stack. And I have these earrings on too. So Rana created all new necklaces, earrings. There's some bracelets that are really cute. And honestly, I'm gonna show you this as well. So this is also from Shana. This is this black and red vest with this zipper detail. And I'm gonna put this on for you. I'm just gonna whip this off. And this shows you just how great this one size t-shirt is. The white one is a little bit sheer, but it's a great underpiece. And then this vest is brand new. But you can unzip it, you can zip it, but it's so fun. It's got elastic here at the bottom, little stand-up collar with a slight wire in it. It's got a little cap sleeve. How much is this vest?
Yeah, let me tell you, that vest is $105.
$105 for the cutie little vest, and this is the large. Oh yeah. What do you got?
I got paisleys.
That's cute.
So I feel like vacation vibes in these. I'm loving these little pants. It's an elastic waist pull-on style. You do have pockets at the hips. I just paired it back with a Bren Walker black bamboo t-shirt, rolled the sleeves a little bit, tied it all together with this Silka necklace. Now this necklace is adjustable in length. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer. You just pull those little things there, and there you have it. So the pants that I'm wearing are $99. This is the part of the new collection from Shana. Super comfortable to wear. There's not much give to this fabric, so I recommend, my necklace got twisted. That's what happens when you play with it. Okay, there we go. I won't play with it anymore. So I recommend sizing up in the pants. I probably am an 8 in the bottom, and I have the size medium on. I tried the small on first, but I didn't like how it stretched. So it just gives it a little bit more movement. Now, if you want the opposite of what I have on, instead you want a solid bottom and a print top, the top also, or the fabric also comes in the top. The top's $83. And this is that same dress that I was wearing in my last look in the olive, but here it is in black from Michael Stars. This is the same necklace. So if you're traveling, you can see how you can take your outfits, pair them in different ways, have completely different looks. Your jewelry coordinates together. I mean, look at that with these same shoes. You got a whole little outfit. So cute. On the top, this is a little bit shorter of a style from Bren Walker. This is their bamboo pieces. If you want something that's a little longer, this one is the bamboo mock long sleeve. It's at $139, and it just gives you a little bit more length, but I feel like these densities of fabric go well together. I was tempted to put on the amazing Jody with this, but I think that's too heavy with these pants. So just something to think about.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. I'm gonna just talk about this MSquare top. So this is the sister to that red top. This is so cute. Again, all cotton, like this fun fringe. It's the fringe. It has snaps.
Ooh.
I know, and this really cute little like cutout square neckline that I think is so flattering. Like it like is warm. But you just see a little keyhole right here. Great, like, again, white stitching detail. But this is so fabulous. Again, this is the size 0. So it comes 0, 1, or 2. It's kind of create your own size. Depends on how you want to wear it. Like, I'd probably wear the 1, but the 0, we steamed that one. So, you know, we had to put that one on. So there's this one. And then, wait, there's more. This is fabulous. And it's like 7 different fabrics. Really what makes this brand so amazing is her fabrics. She sources them from India, and they're just so cool. So this comes small, medium, or large, extra large. This is the large, extra large that I have on. It's like this swing blouse. E, can you tell me how much this is?
Yeah.
It's behind you.
Behind me.
There's buttons down, so there is like this lace detail, this embroidered detail, there's some linen. I love this fabric too. It's so fun.
Lauren, it is $4.59.
So this one's $4.59. A beautiful handmade blouse. There are pockets here, but it's so comfortable. It's such a unique, beautiful blouse. So yeah, that's the MSquare. Are you gonna show them that? Okay,
I'm gonna show them this, but I'm gonna put a little necklace on.
I'm gonna flash this stuff. Okay, so Shana, we're bouncing back to Shana. This tiered dress, I think everyone needs. You wear this by itself, you wear it with a legging, you wear it with a pant.
Oh my God,
you wear
like a little white capri would be so
yes,
cute.
you wear it open like a jacket. This is adorable and brand new from Shana. What's the price on this one?
The sweater is $79.
This dress is $79. The 3-tiered dress.
Oh no, the sweater is $79.
And then there's a sweater.
Sorry, the short sleeve tier dress is $115.
$115 for the dress, extra small through extra large. Adorbs. Rana's shaking her head like, yeah, that's gonna be in her wardrobe soon. This is the cute little sweater just to throw on. Little sweater, cute with these pants.
So cute with those pants.
So this one, it comes extra small through extra large as well. Okay, I think that's the Shana. What you got?
Okay, I have Shana and I have paper temples and I have a sea lily. So I have this little sea lily necklace on, kind of a whole black and white theme going on. Lauren featured this in the
Kozan.
Thank you, Rana. In the Kozan video. It's just a one-size sweater and it's great for this time of year when you just want to throw something on that's not too heavy. I mean, this time of year when it's not the tundra out. I mean, like springtime time of year. It is one size. It's $3.49. It's all made and printed, hand painted in St. Louis. So support our local artists and our local designers. We love that. And then underneath is this brand new V-neck knit dress from Shana. I am absolutely in love with this dress. It's so easy to wear. Little easy V-neck. If you don't like how low the V is, you can easily wear a little cap sleeve t-shirt or one of the AMBs underneath it. You can see a little bit of what I have underneath. This is just the Undie Couture little tank cami bra thing that we have. Little pockets at the hips, little handkerchief bottom hemline. This is $115. So if you think about it, it's your top and your bottom for $115. Machine washable, super easy to wear. I have the size small on with a little springtime sandal. Thank goodness I remembered my shoes today because I don't think this would look good with my snow boots, but you never know. So Lauren's showing you if you don't want sleeveless, if you don't want a low cut, we just got a restock in the white AMB. We'll get that up on the website here shortly. And I know people have been asking for the white. So we got white back in, we got black back in. And she also has a little black and white look going on.
So this is the final Shana dress we want to show you. This is the zipper poplin dress. It is $139. Extra small through extra large. This is the extra large. It does have pockets, which is amazing. Again, you can wear it zipped. You can wear it open as like a duster. I love this like V-neck. There is like this little pleating detail here. And then it has elastic in the back. So it's very flattering for your shape. So yeah, this is fabulous. Again, you can wear it with leggings now and a cute little sweater. So yeah, from Shana. So brand new arrivals from Shana, which are very exciting. And we're gonna show you a few more things. Elizabeth has 1 more look to show you, and so do I. So this is the final Shana dress we want to show you. This is the zipper poplin dress. It is $139. Extra small through extra large. This is the extra large. It does have pockets, which is amazing. Again, you can wear it zipped. You can wear it open as a like a duster. I love this like V-neck. There is like this little pleating detail here. And then it has elastic in the back. So it's very flattering for your shape. So yeah, this is fabulous. Again, you can wear it with leggings now and a cute little sweater. So yeah, from Shana. So brand new arrivals from Shana, which are very exciting. And we're gonna show you a few more things. Elizabeth has 1 more look to show you, and so do I. So yeah, we love you. And I'm running out of things to talk about. Actually, no, I'm not. I never am. There are these cutie little pieces that would go too with the Michael Stars collection. This is this cute planet sweater. This, I think, is such a little sleeper. I know it can kind of give you like a little funky eye, like it hurts your eyeball a little bit, but it's really cute on. It's $2.69. It's the groovy striped sweater. I like it that it's a smaller one size sweater, and it would be really cute over
Oh, so cute.
this.
Yeah.
I think you just need to style it the right way, you know? Same with this one. This one is like a thicker stripe, and you could put it over this cute Michael Stars dress, but those are just some good ways to, you know, buy some things for spring, but make them wear now ready. So this is $2.68, this planet sweater, and again, it looks really good over some of these dresses. Or with this pant, really. Like, that's fun. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, last thing from MSquare, we have these cute little pants. Do we have tags on these?
No.
Okay.
Those look so good.
These are
on
so
you.
cute. So you have this little elastic waistband, you have pockets at the hips, contrast seaming detail with a little bit of fringe. It complements the jackets that Lauren was showing you. So comfortable, and the quality of this fabric just feels amazing on your skin. Totally in love with these pants. This is a beautiful scarf from Marigold Row. It is a lightweight cashmere. It's $2.49. The black with that little bit of stitching. So this takes you into springtime. We know not everybody is into the pinks and the florals for spring. This is a nice spring outfit if you want to stay neutral, you want to be comfortable. And then I'm going to take this off. This is the Michael Stars. So they call it the off the shoulder. You can wear it off the shoulder if you want. But it's not that, if you do it more not off the shoulder, it just sort of becomes this really elegant boat neck style. I have it on with the little same necklace I had on before, just to show you how your accessories can go from one to the other. And it's super comfy. It is coming in on Friday in another color, but for right now we have it in this colorway. It's called Olive. It's $98. And you can do a variety of different scarves with this. So if you are traveling, you're cleaning out your closet, you're trying to figure out what your spring style is going to be, come on in. We will help you with that. We love helping with you. We love connecting with you. That's what we're here for. Anybody can buy anything online, but we're here to connect and to help to make your style your way. Yes, Lauren's going to have one more look. Here she comes. In her spring. Oh gosh. The shoes that she has with this sweater are perfect.
I'm back. Still talking about Planet. So this is this really cool color block sweater that needs a little bit of loving. I think this is the perfect spring sweater. It's $2.79, Pima cotton from Planet. I have this little Fanini knit t-shirt underneath, and then it goes with my jewels, you know, my pretty little jewels from Rana. And then I have my favorite jeans on. These are from Jaded Gypsy. There's only large, extra large left, but these are my favorite barrel jeans ever. They're $159, the Barrel of Dreams jean from Jaded Gypsy. So that's just one little last spring look to show you. We are so glad that you joined us, and we appreciate you, and we love you, and we'll see you soon. Do you have anything else you want to say?
My pants are $2.59, and I like the scarf with this too. So
okay,
that's
love
what
it.
I want to say.
Love it.
Okay, great.
Okay, cool. We'll see you later.